Hello my wonderful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're gonna be using rice and egg for a facelift, for a face tightening. Okay, this is just going to help you to tighten up your face and lift up your sagginess. Okay, and it's gonna also help to remove wrinkles. And please guys, don't mind the noise, they're actually eating something downstairs and your girl can't do anything. Alright, so let's dive into this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell right beside the subscribe button. Okay, and please share this video. Now let's dive in. So the first ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be rice, and we're going to be needing the rice powder out of this raw rice. Okay, rice has been used great for a dull, mature skin. It therefore contains a lightening property which helps to whiten up the skin, and it is great in softening of the skin, removing sunburns, and it makes the skin smooth and fairer. So it's gonna be perfect for a facelift. So to mix this up, I'm gonna be needing the rice powder. Alright, so I just blended the rice, okay, and this is what I got. Okay, so what you do is that you put in your rice into a blender, and then you blend it into a powder form. Then you have rice powder. So the next ingredients we're going to be needing for this facelift is going to be yogurt. Now you can actually use unsweetened yogurt, alright, because that is just going to work really fine on the skin. Yogurt naturally reduces the appearances of fine line as well as wrinkles from forming on the skin, because it contains anti-aging property, and it also contains lactic acids which help to dissolve any dead skin cells, and it's also tightening up the pores. And also for the yogurt, I'll be needing half tablespoon of that. Okay, you have to use unsweetened yogurt. Okay, that is just going to help so much. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be egg, and in this we're going to be needing the egg white. Okay, so egg white is really essential for the skin because it helps to tighten up the pores, and it also helps to glow the skin. It leaves the skin youthful, and it also contains astringent property that shrink the appearances of large pores. Okay, we're just gonna be needing the whites of that. Okay, so I would actually love to pour everything in here and extract just the one I need, which is the egg whites. Next ingredients we're gonna be needing will be vitamin E capsule. Now you can also use vitamin E oil, guys, if you have that, or if you don't, you can use the vitamin E capsule, which is very good. Okay, vitamin E capsule contains vitamin E that helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, and it therefore helps to leave your skin looking younger and radiant. And for the vitamin E capsule, I would just love to take one. Okay, one of the capsule is gonna be enough. It's gonna go a long way. We're just going to mix and stir up this ingredient together. Okay, so you have to give it time to mix and mix really well. Here we go. Alright, so it has actually mixed really well. Alright guys, so how you're gonna do that, you're just going to take this treatment and then you're going to apply it on your face where you have the wrinkles, okay, or where you have the sagging skin, so it can lift off your skin and have your skin looking supple and really applying this onto your skin. What you need to do is to allow it dry. It's just going to help to, you know, shrink your skin. Like, it's just going to help to tighten up your skin, and it's also going to help to firm up your skin and remove. It's going to help in removing any sagging or double line or double chin or wrinkles. Okay, so after that you can go wash it off with a lukewarm water or with a cool water. After that you can actually store this treatment for a couple of days, okay, and then you have to use that 3 times in a week and you're good to go. Your sagging face is just going to firm up and your double chin is just going to tighten up. Your wrinkles is going to be gone and your fine lines will disappear and your skin is going to glow like really well. Alright guys, so if you're aiming to tighten up and firm up your sagginess or your flappy skin, okay, use this. It's just going to help you to do all of that, and it's going to help you to firm it up and tighten your skin, okay, and not only your face. Alright, and this is very effective guys. Go try it out and let's know how yours came out, okay? So if you did love the video, please like the video, you know, click the like button below and also click the subscribe button below and click the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please drop your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box. And yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.